Hello guys, Adam here. So during the weekend, I had my car parked by a shopping mall parking area, and a gentleman reversed his car into the back of my Jeep. My Jeep sustained a small dent or damage on my rear bumper, and obviously the gentleman had a severe damage on his vehicle. Given the fact that the damage on my vehicle is so insignificant and it doesn't warrant all the claims and going through the claim with the insurance, I have tempted to repair the damage myself. I done that previously off camera whenever I had a dent or I had a scratch on my fenders or bumpers, and just to show you how to do it if you have the same problem and you would like to do the repair yourself. The technique is very simple and the tool is used is very simple. All what you will need is a heat gun, uh, a damp cloth, microfiber cloth, okay, and anything to push on the panel such as a offcut, wood offcut, or any straight edge. All right, the technique require applying heat to the panel, so you will have to control the heat in a circular motion and not and prevent overheating the plastic. Okay, as you heating, as you will apply a rapid cooling to the panel with the damp cloth. Uh, I hope this video will show you the how, and I hope you will be able to fix small things without having to pay in. Okay guys.